Okay, hi, this is Tony again to talk to you about validation and maintaining the validated state. So if you remember from our discussion about validation, once we complete validation of a system or a piece of equipment, we've characterized the system and how it manufactures product for the customer. Through this characterization, we engage several quality systems to be able to maintain the system in its state at the end of validation throughout its life. Those systems typically are preventive maintenance programs, calibration programs, in-process testing programs, final product testing programs, and finally, change management programs. All these systems work together to maintain and control all the critical aspects of the system so it repeatably produces product through its life. And I'm going to use a very simple game stack to demonstrate how we control a system through change management. So if we look at the block, the block describes a manufacturing system. Foundationally, we would have a piece of equipment maybe at the bottom, represents the foundation of the system. And on top of that maybe is a validation package. And on top of that is procedures in the production department and production operators that are used to manufacture the product, and maybe training programs that we use and raw materials that are used to produce product. So as we exercise a change on the system through change management, it would look very similar to removing a block from the stack and then assessing the change and then replacing it with something that fits in the same slot. The block and the stack maintain integrity and the system is able to produce product in a similar way. If we potentially look at changes outside of change management and what the impact they could have on the system, that would look very similar to maybe a raw material change, a settings change that's made on a piece of equipment. Perhaps it's a small procedural change made by the production department. Maybe it's a change in staffing. As we continue to make changes outside of change control, you can see that the stack will become less and less stable and potentially will collapse. We understand that changes can occur and they're not all equivalent. Some at the bottom of the stack, foundational changes, are more important and more impactful than a block that was pulled from the top of the stack. Additionally, we also understand that changes have come from all different departments within the organization. Raw materials from procurement, operational changes, procedure changes from the production department, machine setting changes from the engineering department. In this way, we like to demonstrate the importance of rigorous change management and how everyone within the organization has a responsibility not only to manage change, but also to maintain the validated state of the system.